You know that feeling when you're desperate for a holiday, but have no idea where to go or how to plan it? Yeah, we've all been there. Well, that stops today. I'm giving you the complete, done-for-you itinerary for one of the most incredible islands in the world. And right now, the #1 trending destination on the planet, Madeira. 7 days, 0 guesswork. Let's get into it. Your adventure starts in Funchal, the island's vibrant capital, and it deserves a full day. Begin at the Mercado dos Lavradores, the workers' market. It's a feast for the senses, with stalls packed with exotic Madeiran fruit, flower sellers in traditional costumes, and a fish market downstairs that is unlike anything you've seen before. Get there before 10 a.m. to beat the crowds. From there, wander into the Old Town, the Zona Velha, where over 200 painted doors line the streets, each one a unique work of art by a local artist. In the afternoon, take the cable car up to Monte for stunning views over Funchal and the harbor. Explore the Monte Palace Tropical Garden. And if you're feeling brave, hop in one of the famous wicker toboggans for the ride back down. End your evening in the Old Town with Pancha, a traditional Madeiran spirit made with aguardiente, honey, and lemon, and espetada, beef marinated in garlic and sea salt, skewered on a laurel stick and grilled over an open flame. Non-negotiable. Day 2. Levada walks in Ribeiro, Frio. Grab a coffee and a pastel de nata and hit the road. Today is your hiking day. Head to the Levada do Caldeirão Verde, the Green Cauldron Levada. It takes you deep into Madeira's UNESCO-listed laurel forest, through 4 tunnels carved into the rock, and ends at a stunning waterfall in a lush green amphitheater. It's 13 kilometers return, allow 4 to 5 hours, bring a head torch, and it's completely free. On the way back, stop at Ribeiro Frio, a tiny mountain village with a short 20-minute walk to the Balcones viewpoint for sweeping valley views. Grab lunch at one of the rustic village restaurants before heading back to Funchal. Prefer something shorter? The Levada das 25 Fontes ends at a gorgeous natural pool fed by dozens of small waterfalls. A brilliant and equally beautiful alternative. Day 3. Fanal Forest and Pal de Serra Plateau. Set the alarm early. This one starts before sunrise, and it is worth every second. Drive up to Fanal, an ancient laurel forest at 1,000 meters above sea level. Arriving at dawn, with mist drifting through centuries-old twisted, moss-covered trees, is one of the most atmospheric experiences on the island. It genuinely looks like something out of a fantasy film, and it's completely free. Once the mist lifts, drive across the Pal de Serra Plateau for panoramic views stretching to the coast on both sides. Then head down to Ponta do Sol on the southwest coast, a sun-soaked village that gets more sunshine than almost anywhere else on the island. Grab lunch by the seafront and enjoy a slower afternoon before heading back to Funchal. Day 4. Sea sail and the North Coast. Most tourists stick to the South Coast, which means the North is where Madeira feels truly wild and untouched. Head to Seixal, a small village beneath dramatic cliffs, where a freshwater waterfall cascades directly onto a natural lava pool. Crystal clear water, volcanic rock, and the Atlantic crashing around you. It's stunning. Continue to Porto Moniz and its famous natural rock pools for lunch at a seafood restaurant perched on the cliff edge. The drive itself is an experience. Tunnels through cliffsides, waterfalls spilling onto the road, ocean views hundreds of meters below. Dramatic, wild, and one of Madeira's best-kept secrets. Day 5. Whale watching and Câmara de Lobos. Head to Funchal Marina first thing for a whale watching tour. Madeira sits on one of the Atlantic's great whale migration routes, making it one of the best places in Europe to spot them. Sperm whales are resident year-round, and you might also see dolphins, pilot whales, and if you're lucky, humpbacks. Tours run about 3 hours, cost around 50 to 60 euros, and are often accompanied by marine biologists. Absolutely worth it. In the afternoon, head to Câmara de Lobos, the charming fishing village just west of Funchal that Winston Churchill famously painted. Colorful, relaxed, and far quieter than the capital. Grab a late lunch at the harbor and order a pancha. This is actually where the drink was invented, before heading back for the evening. Day 6. Pico do Arieiro and Eastern Madeira. Today takes you up into the clouds, literally. Drive up to Pico do Arieiro, Madeira's third highest peak at nearly 1,800 meters. On a clear morning, you'll be standing above the clouds with mountain peaks breaking through. Sunrise here is something else, so set that alarm if you can. From the peak, hike across to Pico Rivo, Madeira's highest point, about 4 kilometers each way with extraordinary views the whole way. In the afternoon, head east to Santana to see its iconic A-frame thatched houses, unique to Madeira and great for photos. Wind back to Funchal along the east coast, stopping at the Cristo Rey viewpoint over the bay if time allows. Quick pause before Day 7. Everything you need for this trip is in the description below. I've linked to all the places and activities mentioned in this video, and there's also a Wise Card recommendation down there, which is the smartest way to pay overseas with no hidden fees or dodgy exchange rates. And speaking of making life easier, I've also dropped a completely free travel planner in the description. Flights, accommodation, transport, budget planning, packing lists. It's all in there. Totally free, to take the stress out of planning so you can just enjoy the trip. Day 7, Cabo, Girão, and a slow farewell. Your final day is all about slowing down and finishing on a high. Start at the Cabo Girão Skywalk, the highest sea cliff in Europe, with a glass-floored platform 580 meters directly above the Atlantic. Your stomach will drop. From there, take the cable car down to the Funchal vineyards, terraced vines cascading down the cliffside to the sea, unlike anything else in the world. Spend the afternoon slowly. Find a spot on the coast. Order a bolo do caco with garlic butter. Pour a glass of Madeiran wine and just be present. Then head back to Funchal's Old Town for one last espetada, one last pancha, and a proper goodbye to an island that has absolutely earned all the attention it's getting right now. Bonus tips. Everything else you need to know. Where to stay. Funchal is your best base. Budget travelers can find beds from around 25 to 35 euros a night at places like the Lazy Bird Hostel. For mid-range, Quinta da Casa Branca is a beautiful garden estate from around 120 euros a night. For a splurge, the Belmond Reed's Palace is Madeira's most iconic hotel. Cliffside views and old-world luxury. There are also stunning rural quintas across the island's interior if you want to wake up surrounded by nature. Public buses are cheap and reliable for most of the island. For the north coast, Fanal, and the mountains, rent a car from around 25 to 40 euros a day. Airport shuttles run around 10 to 15 euros each way and are far better value than a taxi. The food guide. Do not leave without trying these. Pastel de nata for breakfast. Warm, flaky, and practically free. Espada, black scabbard fish with banana and passion fruit sauce. Sounds unusual, tastes incredible. Bolo de caco, the sweet potato flatbread with garlic butter, is dangerously good. And lapas, grilled limpets with lemon and butter, sizzling in the shell, are an absolute must. Wash it all down with a pancha or a glass of Madeiran wine. That's the full experience right there. Madeira surprises people every single time. They arrive expecting a nice island break and leave having had one of the most beautiful, adventurous, and memorable trips of their lives. I hope this itinerary gives you everything you need to make that happen. If this video helped you, please give it a like, share it with anyone thinking about Madeira, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you never miss a new video. I'll see you in the next one.